Did you know that one of Italy's smallest cars became a giant in the world of motorsport? Today we're diving into the story of the Autobianchi A112, a car so compact it could fit in your living room but powerful enough to dominate rally stages. Welcome back to Revamp Cars, where we uncover hidden gems from automotive history and bring them roaring back to life. Hi everyone, I'm your name, and welcome to another episode of Revamp Cars. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because every week we explore iconic vehicles with fascinating stories behind them. This week, we're shining the spotlight on the Autobianchi A112, a car that might look like an adorable city runabout at first glance, but hides a fiery racing spirit under its tiny hood. Now imagine being Fiat in the late 1960s. You've got big dreams of creating a small, affordable car for urban drivers, but how do you make something so practical also exciting? Enter the challenge, designing a vehicle that appeals to everyday commuters while still capturing the hearts of performance enthusiasts. The stakes were high. Get it wrong, and you'd lose out to competitors like Mini or Citroën. Get it right, and you'd create a legend. So, what made the Autobianchi A112 special? Well, let's start with its roots. Launched in 1969, the A112 was designed by Fiat as part of their Autobianchi brand, which was known for experimenting with innovative ideas. It featured sleek styling courtesy of Giorgetto Giugiaro, who later went on to design some of the most iconic cars in history. But here's the twist. The real magic happened when engineers decided to turn this humble hatchback into a pocket rocket. In 1971, they introduced the A112 Abarth, equipped with a tuned engine, sporty suspension, and aggressive aesthetics. Suddenly, this little commuter car transformed into a track-ready machine. The A112 didn't just stop at road use. It found fame in rallying. Drivers loved its nimble handling, lightweight frame, and surprising power output. By the mid-1970s, it had become a staple in European rally championships, proving that size doesn't matter when it comes to speed and agility. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the legacy of the A112 Abarth. Picture this. It's the 1970s, and you're watching these pint-sized warriors tearing through dirt tracks, leaving larger, more expensive cars in their dust. Fans couldn't get enough of the A112's David versus Goliath victories. One of the standout moments came during the legendary Monte Carlo rally, where the A112 proved itself against giants like Porsche and Lancia. These wins cemented its reputation not just as a fun daily driver, but as a true motorsport icon. Even today, collectors and enthusiasts pay top dollar to own a piece of this history. To sum it up, the Autobianchi A112 is proof that great things come in small packages. From its stylish design to its unexpected dominance in motorsports, this little Italian gem has left an indelible mark on automotive culture. Whether you're a fan of classic cars, rallying, or simply appreciate clever engineering, the A112 deserves a place in your heart, and maybe even your garage. If you enjoyed learning about the Autobianchi A112, give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow car lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to Revamp Cars for more deep dives into incredible vehicles from the past and present. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your favorite underrated car? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep those engines revving.